You know how some of these wigs, they have the U-part wigs and half wigs, but this one, you are able to bring it close and have minimal weave out, so that's pretty dope. But yeah, this wig. So this is the box it came in. HerGivenHair. So I'm just gonna kind of show y'all a little bit of what we're working with. And of course they bring their wigs in a beautiful box. I like the box, it's sleek. They had a ribbon on it, but I took it off. But yeah, this is what it comes in. Hopefully I have her hair done. It don't get too dark outside, but I got my light charger, so I'll be able to get good lighting. So this is what it look like, y'all. Let me point that down. Let me make sure y'all can see, because I probably had this thing sitting anywhere. But yeah, so this is what it looked like. So y'all, you know, in the past with HerGivenHair, I had like my natural curl pattern or whatever. Oh, this is dope. So this is a little book, little pamphlet. Oh, a letter from our brand ambassador. Okay. Oh, that's dope. Cause she be having some beautiful hair. That's the chick off of Love and Hip Hop. But yeah, so they have product oh shit, y'all can't even see it. My bad. So they have a product instructions list. Thing. That's dope. Was a book. And your girl. That's pretty cool. She's an ambassador. But this is what the wig looks like. Oh, they come with that's dope. An optional elastic band where you can clip it on. Cause you know, we used to have to sew it on. That's pretty freaking creative. So if your head is not the exact size for the wig, you can use this to fit it to it. And they got the clips, comb clips. So this is 18-inch, and this wig is 18 inches. It's a natural color. And it's Kinky blowout, so that's what I love about it. They gave me the option, and I said I want to get the blowout wig because that's gonna be so tight. So this is a V wig, so V as in Victor. This is a V wig, y'all. Yep, I'm gonna show it to you, and then we'll get to styling it with the client once she makes it, because she'll be here in a few minutes. I wish I had my blockhead so I can sit it on the mannequin. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. It's soft. Ooh, they pull through. Yes, and they say you can curl this hair, so we finna do some things, y'all. We finna do some things. Okay, that's creative. We have the lace. Like, it's a barrier right there. It stops right there. But it's a lace leave out. Ha! So as you're leaving it out, it won't be such a demarcation when you're when you're trying to blend your hair. Blend your hair. Well, no. Do you cut this? Yeah, I think you cut it. Because if you don't, you can't put the doggone wig on the head. Duh, Crystal. And then, okay, so when you cut it, you put the combs on there. Okay. Alright, y'all. So this is what it's looking like. Alrighty. We'll catch you when she make it. You got the clip in at the top.
The collective voice of the American people is gloriously loud. And on election night, those voices rise.
Ooh, it's gonna be an interesting night.
Here to provide clarity and deliver.
Down the middle.
So don't you tell me I am selfish just because I look out for myself.
And I'm gonna do like a light blow dry on the leave out so it can blend.
To cry when I'm older. I could have done this or that. I remember when I used to.
It's pretty dang good, man.
Don't do it 'cause it doesn't work. I'd rather shoot your shot. I did it, so I know you got this. We're all living what we manifest. You'll get your dreams, just do your best. So don't you tell me I am helpless just because I'm searching for myself. I've been working hard just so I can say I told you so. I told you so.
I'm gonna fix it first.
Shit, we met this one on Facebook.
Will come through so easily.
It actually does, yeah.
You got tired of me saying it. I just can't help myself. And if I wanted to, I can blow the blood down even more.
Make this straighter.
Ooh.
Actually looks good.
Yeah. My vision came through. Put that mother behind it.
Okay. Listen.
You sure you got that queen look? I'm like, yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The only thing about this is that it's big, right? This is a large. Is it was it the tightest you could get it to be?
Nope. So it actually can get tight, and I haven't even put the elastic band on there.
Oh, okay.
It can get tight, and I didn't even put it. And even the latches that are in there, I didn't even put it on the main latches.
Okay. So you didn't cut the front, but if I had done that, because I've had a hair like this where I didn't know what to do with that part, it would still. Well, this one will stay because it's got the clip.
I think I was supposed to cut it because it got clips where the part's supposed to go.
I see. So why did they put it there? What's the point of that elastic?
I don't know. Well, I'm sure I'll ask them, but I don't know. Maybe it's this how when they was making it, probably needed to secure it.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. Alright, let me get a picture. Look, they call it the creator, some creator, creative director. Exactly. Yes. Well, I got this to be like a Alright, y'all. So my next thing is I'm going to show y'all that this having curl. I'm gonna start off with one curls, but as I went further along, I wanted to do like real kind of beach wave curls. So I want to kind of wanted to kind of give it like a jazzy look because I was feeling the one curls, but as it was a lot of work for me, I didn't want to do it anymore. So, but it does one curl really pretty. But as a hairstylist, y'all, I started as I saw that how good that this could take heat. I started getting creative. I was like, man, I can actually do a full out style on this wig. So this wig, I think it take about 400 degrees. From my personal use, I feel like it take about 400 to 420 because on here on this curling iron it gets up to like 420 something like that, and my Fabulous that y'all will see in a second that I'm gonna start using, it was on the second to the last notch, so it was about in that range of 400. So yeah, y'all, I really highly recommend this wig. I have all the details in the description box below. And yeah, I feel like this is a good protective style wig. This is a good wig for going into the fall and winter. And you know, if you want to take a break with your hair and not have to worry about, you know, too much tension, and you want to try to grow your hair out, or you just want to have a look and not have to put so much effort in with doing your own hair. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, not have to do so much with your hair. This is a good go-to wig. Alright, y'all. So stay tuned and watch me work. Really?
Really a production. Ooh, okay. How's the color with mine? You said the color is decent.
Yeah, it's pretty good, and because it's not a lot of leave out,
Okay.
it's able to look even better.
Okay.
Now, if you ain't like more leave out here, really.
Okay.
And then too, because it's not bone straight, you able to hide more.
So I can just blow dry it. I don't need to.
Yep, do not. Now you can even curl it or put some flex fries in if you want to.
Ah, okay. Instead of
Okay. Cause it's gonna curl. A little more. Yeah. I really wanted to keep that hair. I should have said it. Oh, dang, my good seed. I was gonna keep that hair. I was gonna just model it on her head. But, you know, the person in me, I was like, nah, let me go and let her have it. Especially since she allowed me to model on her. So I let her have the wig. I really like that wig. Well, I might go ahead and buy one for myself, or I might see if they can give me an extra wig. Cause y'all, and I like model different styles on my page, no charge, and getting another wig. Cause yeah, I really like that wig. Yeah.